Uh, so today we shall be doing a review of some currency pairs. We're going to, as usual, look at levels of interest, areas where prices are most likely going to reject in line with the trend or momentum. So we're looking at the GBP Japanese yen. Let's start with the daily chart first. As you can see, currently the market is bullish on the daily chart. So let's go to our 30 minutes time frame to see if there are any zones. Currently, there are no. I've already done my analysis. I am not seeing any zone here in the GBP Japanese yen. Basically, this market is currently in a range or in the intraday trade. So there's nothing here. So let's go over to the AUD Japanese yen. Let's start from the daily time frame. The market is currently bullish, even though we're seeing some range here, but the market is currently bullish. So we're going to be looking at some areas of interest for zones where the market will most likely buy or sell. So as usual, green zones for buy, red zones for sell. So now this AUD Japanese yen currently this zone is a zone that we could look out for a buy. This red zone here, which was drawn off this previous resistance level, is a zone I would love to sell, but this is the pattern I would love to see play out, the logic I would love to see play out before I'll be convinced to look at this zone as a zone of sell. I would love to see the market drop down here, then come here, this zone, and reverse and probably go into this zone again. So this is the only reason I'll be looking to sell around this zone. I would love to see the market drop, retest, and go down again. Aside that, I see no reason why. Then this zone two are zones of buy zones. These are zones I'll be interested to see if I'll see a buy. Sorry, pardon me. This zone isn't valid. So these are the zones I'll be looking for a buy. Equally, this zone here is a valid zone of buy. Let me mark it. The zone here is a valid zone for buying. So we would want to see the market either come to this zone and we shall look for buying opportunity. So let's look at the Euro Canadian. Let's look at the daily time frame first. The daily time frame, what this is really a very ranging trade. There was a huge spike down today. Previously, the market was bullish, but this spike down has kind of changed basis for short term to range. So I won't say there's actually direction for now. But these are zones I'll be looking at, although the zones are a bit much, which is a good thing, meaning there's a most likelihood of an opportunity tomorrow. So let's look at this. This, as usual, a zone for buy. Um, these zones might sound weird, like why is it's not green zone for buy? And so now this is the logic I would love to see play out in this before I'll be interested to buy. The logic is this: I'd love to see the price go up from this level, either come down here for a retest and a push up again, then come down here for a retest and then a push up again and come down here for a retest. So this is my logic for this buy area. I'd love to see a pattern like this. So each of these retests are areas that would be interesting to look for a buying opportunity. So now let's look at the sell zone This area is quite in a mix. As you can see, there's both a sell opportunity and a buy opportunity within this area. So for the sell opportunity, I would love to see the price come down, then go for a retest, and then drop down to this area or below. Um, Notwithstanding, we still have a zone here that we should be cautious of. If we have a retest and this move, we should be cautious of this zone for a most likely rejection. So, and that's that. Then this zone here, if the market comes here, we could most likely see an opportunity for sell. Let's look at the Great Britain Canadian. This is quite an interesting currency. This is a zone for buy, but let's look at the buy logic first before we go into the sell logic. So, this zone here is a zone of most likely of a test and a push up for the buy logic first, like I said. Then for this zone here, the as like I said, green for sell. So for this zone here, the logic I would love to see is for the market to push up and probably test here for a buy opportunity, come down, test here for probably another buy opportunity, and move up. And be careful that because we have a sell zone interest around this area here. So basically, that's my logic for the buy and for the sell. I'd, we have this zone here. I'd love to see this market push down and then probably come to this zone here and then continuation down. So that will be my sell logic on this red zone. Sometimes we both have we can have both a buy and a sell opportunity in the same zone. So that's why you see this red and green mixed together. So we can equally see a buying and selling opportunity within this zone here. So basically that's it. And here too, we equally have a selling opportunity within this zone here. So basically that's it for the GBP Canadian. Thank you.